Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new menu or page on your Shopify homepage. So as you can see, I have four pages or four menus here. There are home, catalog, contact, and blog. And I want to add one more here, so I will show you in this video step by step. And the first thing you have to do is to create new page that you want to add to your homepage if you don't have it yet. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard and go to your pages here. And then this is my current pages. I will add new one. Click add page here. And then for the title, let's say products. And for the content, blah, blah, blah. And then visibility, choose visible. And for the template, I will choose default template and click save. After you save it, you can go back to your themes, click themes here, and then you can click customize here, and then click header section here. And as you can see in the menu here, there is main menu. You can click it and click edit. It will brings you to main menu page. You can click add menu item here, and then click the, you can type the label, let's say products. Then for the link, you can choose pages, and there are the option. There is the products page that I just created. They, choose this one and then click save, and then you can go back to your customized pages. You can refresh it, and it's done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.